LeadRocks is a B2B contact data provider and data enrichment platform. Its intuitive interface and sufficient amount of data lets you easily find and retrieve needed contact information, saving you the hassle of having to branch out to other data sources and spend ridiculous amounts of money on feature-overloaded solutions. Its smart range of filters lets you perform a bespoke search and pull out needed emails, phone numbers, company names, and LinkedIn profiles. The data you gain here is totally enough to fully supply your sales and marketing teams. Tick needed contacts and click on Save Selected. Create custom lists where you can store your data or download it into a CSV file to fulfill various lead generation tasks. Let's talk about data enrichment. Imagine that you are combing through LinkedIn profiles and have spotted some people who look like your best high-quality leads. If only you knew their email addresses, or what's even better, if you could save those emails into some document and pass it over to your lead gen specialists so they could kick off an email campaign targeting every one of those leads. LeadRocks does that kind of job for you astonishingly quickly. First, you install a free extension and scrape all those accounts into a downloadable file in a CSV format. Then you go to LeadRocks.io, go to Enrichment, and upload your document right over here. After hitting Start Enrichment, the tool will show how many emails associated with those LinkedIn accounts from your document it has managed to find. If you are ready to trade your credits, just create a list and save your emails into it. Enjoy advanced lead generation, no more feature-overloaded, ridiculously expensive systems. All you need within one place with accuracy and relevance of data that allows our users to achieve one of the highest deliverability rates. Better leads for your needs with LeadRocks, Smart LinkedIn Scraper, and Data Provider.